Monkey.
Hold on for just a second. I'm going to see if they're going to Batista later or if they're not your reason. Yeah. I doubt it.
Monkey.
Hey, go to Batista. I think it's overnight there.
Why do you want my book? No, no, no. You can't have. That's a classic. No, no.
He's interested.
That is a streetcar named Desire. You can't have that. I'm taking
That's a
that.
good video, man. He's reaching your pocket. He's reaching in your pocket. That's a good video.
Monkey. Please don't shit on me. Alright, Monkey. Say hi to the camera. It's camera. Okay, you can look at the book because it's a paperback. Come on. No, no, you can't have it.